Have you ever wondered why, despite your best efforts throughout the day, those extra pounds just won't budge? The secret to effective weight loss might be hiding in your dinner plate. Imagine waking up lighter, more energized, and ready to take on the world, all because of a simple shift in your evening habits. What if the key to unlocking your healthiest self isn't about eating less, but eating smarter, especially at night? Let's dive into a truth that's often overlooked. Your dinner is not just another meal. It's the moment when your body prepares to rest and recover. Unlike breakfast or lunch, dinner happens when your activity level starts to wind down. Consuming a heavy, calorie-rich dinner can overload your digestive system and send excess energy straight into storage. Yes, that means fat. But there's good news. By making mindful choices with your evening meal, you can turn dinner into your secret weapon for weight loss. Why is reducing calories at dinner so important? Picture your body as a finely tuned machine. Throughout the day, you're burning calories, walking, thinking, working, exercising. But as night falls, your body's energy demands decrease. If you continue to eat high-calorie foods at dinner, those calories have nowhere to go but into storage. Over time, this nightly habit can add inches to your waistline and slow down your weight loss progress. In contrast, a lighter, nutrient-dense dinner gives your body just what it needs: fuel for repair and recovery, without the excess to be stored as fat. But there's more. Eating heavy meals late at night can disrupt your sleep, cause indigestion, and leave you feeling sluggish in the morning. By switching to a lighter dinner, you're not only supporting weight loss, but also improving your sleep quality and overall well-being. Imagine waking up refreshed, with a lighter body and a clearer mind, all because you reimagined your evening meal. If you're enjoying this video and finding these tips helpful, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. It not only helps the channel grow, but also keeps you updated with more powerful videos to make you stronger, leaner, and unstoppable. Let's keep the energy high and dive into the next one. Now you might be wondering, what does a healthy, low-calorie dinner actually look like? Is it just a salad and water? Absolutely not. The world of healthy dinners is vibrant, flavorful, and satisfying. Whether you're from Mumbai or Madrid, New York or Nairobi, delicious, waste-friendly dinners are within your reach. Get ready, because I'm about to reveal 10 incredible dinner options that will help you lose weight, nourish your body, and never leave you bored or hungry. Curious about what dishes made the list? Let's explore these mouth-watering meals together and discover how each one can transform your nights and your life. First up, let's travel to the Mediterranean. Try a grilled vegetable and chickpea salad. Picture colorful bell peppers, zucchini, and eggplant, lightly grilled and tossed with protein-rich chickpeas, a sprinkle of feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil. Not only is this dish low in calories, but it's packed with fiber and plant-based protein, keeping you full and satisfied long after dinner. The combination of flavors and textures will make you forget you're eating a diet meal. Next, embrace the simplicity of Asian cuisine with a stir-fried tofu and broccoli bowl. Cubes of tofu sautéed with garlic, ginger, and crisp broccoli florets, served over a small portion of brown rice or cauliflower rice. This meal is rich in plant protein, vitamins, and minerals, and the natural flavors make every bite a delight. Plus, tofu is known for keeping hunger at bay, so you'll be less tempted to snack late at night. For those who crave something classic, how about a hearty lentil soup? Lentils are a powerhouse of nutrition, high in protein, fiber, and low in fat. Simmer them with tomatoes, carrots, celery, and aromatic spices for a comforting bowl that feels indulgent, but is gentle on your waistline. Enjoy it with a slice of whole grain bread or a side of steamed greens for extra nourishment. Are you a fan of Indian flavors? Try a light paneer tikka with mixed greens. Marinate cubes of paneer in yogurt and spices, then grill or bake until golden. Serve over a bed of fresh greens, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber. This meal is high in protein, calcium, and flavor, without the heaviness of a traditional curry. Maybe you're in the mood for something more global. How about a Mexican-inspired black bean and corn salad? Combine black beans, sweet corn, diced tomatoes, red onion, and cilantro. Squeeze in some lime juice and add a hint of cumin. This colorful salad is bursting with antioxidants, fiber, and plant-based protein, perfect for a light but satisfying dinner. Craving comfort food? A zucchini noodle pasta with tomato and basil sauce is your answer. Spiralize zucchini into noodles. Sauté them briefly and top with a homemade tomato sauce, fresh basil, and a sprinkle of Parmesan. You'll satisfy that pasta craving without the extra calories, and your body will thank you for the boost in vitamins and hydration. For seafood lovers, consider grilled salmon with asparagus. A small fillet of salmon, lightly seasoned and grilled, served alongside steamed or roasted asparagus. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and aid in fat loss. This meal is elegant, quick to prepare, and deeply nourishing. If you're seeking a vegan option, a quinoa and roasted vegetable bowl is a winner. Toss cubes of pumpkin, sweet potato, and red onion with olive oil and roast until golden. Serve over fluffy quinoa with a sprinkle of seeds or nuts for extra crunch. The blend of complex carbs and proteins makes this a balanced, filling dinner. For a taste of East Asia, try a miso soup with tofu and seaweed. Miso is a fermented soybean paste that aids digestion and gut health. Add cubes of tofu, wakame seaweed, and green onions for a soothing, low-calorie meal that's both restorative and deeply satisfying. Finally, let's not forget the timeless power of eggs. Whip up a veggie-packed omelet with spinach, mushrooms, and tomatoes. Eggs are a complete protein, and when combined with a variety of vegetables, they create a meal that's nutritious, quick, and endlessly customizable to your taste. Now you have 10 diverse, delicious, and healthy dinner options from around the globe, each designed to keep your calorie count in check, support your weight loss journey, and leave you feeling satisfied, not deprived. Remember, the path to a healthier, slimmer you doesn't have to be bland or boring. With the right dinner choices, you can nourish your body, delight your taste buds, and wake up one step closer to your goals. So tonight, as you plan your meal, ask yourself, which of these dishes will you try first? The journey to radiant health and lasting beauty starts with your next dinner. And Fitness Mantra is here to guide you every step of the way.